Hi, this is Audrey Marshall, speech language pathologist, and today I'm going to be reading a farm animals book. Are you ready? Let's do it. Our first one is a cow. That's a mommy cow. Can you say cow? What's the cow say? Moo. The cow says moo. Let's clap for the cow. Mama cow, what do you see? Turn the page. I see a baby cow looking at me. It's a baby cow. Do you have any toy cows at your house? Can you go find one? I have one. Let's see, where is it? Here it is. Cow. Moo. Let's turn the page. It's a pig. A mama pig. What's the pig say? The pig says, oink, oink. Are you ready to clap for Mama Pig? Mama Pig, what do you see? I see a baby pig looking at me. Aw, the baby pig is sleeping. Do you have a toy pig at your house? Go get it. I have one. Where is it? Here it is, my little pink pig. He says, oink, oink, oink. Let's turn the page. It's a duck. A mama duck. Can you say duck? The duck says quack, quack. Let's clap for the duck. Mama duck, what do you see? I see a baby duck looking at me. Look at that baby duck in the water. She's swimming. Do you have a toy duck at your house? I found one in my bathtub. Where is it? Here it is. Quack, quack, quack. It's a little baby duck. Let's turn the page. Who's next? It's a horse. A daddy horse. Can you say horse? What's the horse say? Neigh, neigh. The horse says neigh. Let's clap for Daddy Horse. Daddy Horse, what do you see? I see a baby horse looking at me. Oh, it's a baby horse. Do you have a toy horse at your house? Go get it. I have a toy horse. Where is it? I found it. Here it is. It's a little toy horse. He's got a little tail. Oh, he just tried to run away. Uh-oh. Let's turn the page. It's a goat. A daddy goat. Can you say goat? He says ma, ma. The goat says ma. Let's clap for the daddy goat. Daddy goat, what do you see? I see a baby goat looking at me. Hi, baby goat. Do you have a toy goat at your house? I do. Where is it? I found it. You better not run away this time. Goat. He says, ma, ma. He's got little horns. Let's turn the page. What's next? What's that? It's a sheep. And you say, sheep. Sheep say, ba, ba. The sheep says, ba. That is a daddy sheep. Let's clap for him. Daddy sheep, what do you see? I see a baby sheep looking at me. Oh, it's a little baby sheep. Do you have a toy sheep at your house? Can you go get it? I've got one. Baby sheep, where are you? I found him. Sheep says, "Ba, ba." What's next? What's that? It's a mommy chicken and her egg. Can you say chicken, egg? Chicken says, "Bark, bark, bark." Let's clap for mommy chicken. Mommy chicken, what do you see? I see a baby chick looking at me. Hi, baby chick. It's coming out of its egg. Do you have a little baby chick at your house? I do. Let's see. What? Is that a baby chick? That's not a baby chick. I think that's an alligator. We gotta keep that alligator away from the chick. No way. Baby chick, where are you? Are you okay? There she is, my little baby chick. She says, "Beep, beep, beep." Can you say that? Peep, peep, peep. Let's turn the page and see what's next. That's Farmer Bob. He kind of looks like a daddy. He's waving, "Hi." Hi, Farmer Bob. Let's clap for him. Farmer Bob, what do you see? Let's see. He sees all the animals looking at him. There they all are. The cow, the pig, the duck, the horse, the goat, the sheep, and the chick. There they all are. Well, that's all we have today. Thanks for reading our animal song book today. It's been fun. Bye.